Hello, everyone, and welcome to our latest edition of What's Up, LifePharm. Steve Brown, your Vice President of Field Development here, and we have a very special show for you tonight. Our research scientist and my good friend, Dr. Edward Andujar, will be joining us to discuss the amazing products that are Digestive 3 Plus and Immune 3 Plus, and to discuss how they work together in our bodies.
So we're going to start with Digestive 3 Plus. First, let's talk about some general statistics with digestive problems. More than 1/3 of all ambulatory visits in the U.S. are related to digestive problems. 70 million Americans are afflicted with digestive problems. An additional 105 million visits to the physician are done yearly for digestive problems. So what is the digestive system? Well, these are specific organs that convert food to nutrients that the body uses for growth, energy, and repair. A quote from NYU: the digestive system is one of the core disease-fighting systems of the human body. Okay, one of the most important things that you have to realize is that as we age, the digestive system does not work as well. Nearly 40% of older adults have one or more digestive symptoms each year. So what happens in our body? Well, the problem starts very early. This is a very important slide because it shows us that the natural digestive enzyme production decreases about 10% per decade after age 20. That by the time you're 60, you have about half the enzyme production. Now, this is crucial because in order to digest even food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, you cannot digest food or nutrients without enzymes, digestive enzymes. So what happens in our bodies? Well, there's an unhealthy balance of bacteria in the large intestine. The beneficial bacteria is replaced with pathogenic organisms. So it's good bacteria, bad bacteria. But this increased toxic load adds a burden to the liver, to the kidneys, and the rest of the body. So what can we do? Well, our answer is Digestive 3 Plus. Digestive 3 Plus is complete digestive health. It is a daily supplement that helps with healthy intestines, indigestion, and most importantly, nutrient absorption. Well, the digestive tract has 3 parts, and those 3 parts work well with the 3 different ingredients of our product. So, the first part is the mouth, esophagus, and stomach. Of course, the food goes into your mouth and it has to go into the acidic stomach. The second part is the pancreas and the small intestines. The pancreas starts in the front, goes around the stomach, and then is in the back. And the small intestines, of course, are in the center. And now, the third part is the large intestine. And this is where all the good and bad bacteria are, where we want to balance. Okay, so let's go back to the first part, mouth, esophagus, and stomach. This is where the prebiotic blend works. The prebiotic blend fuels the probiotic, but more importantly, it neutralizes the acid in the stomach. The second part is where the enzyme blend will work. That's the pancreas and the small intestine. We have 11 different digestive enzymes, and we want to maximize the nutrient absorption, and that is done through the small intestine. And then the third part is the large intestine. The large intestine is where the probiotic works. The probiotic has to go there and balance the bacteria. It improves that whole balance, and it also neutralizes the acid in the stomach. You must understand that most of you who eat yogurt, or most of you that will take a probiotic, don't realize that those probiotics never get to the large intestine because they burn out in the stomach where it's very acidic. The difference with ours is we have what's called a spore forming probiotic. The spore forming probiotics are much stronger and they can deal with a very low acid. So, this probiotic will make it to the large intestine and will then help balance the bacteria. As we age, our body systems function less efficiently. And we just showed you that the digestive specifically does not have enough enzyme production, so it would be more difficult to totally absorb the nutrients. So if you were taking laminine, you wouldn't get the full absorption unless we give you Digestive 3 Plus, which has the enzymes which will make sure that you absorb all of the nutrient. All right, now we're going to talk about